Okay, boys and girls, in this exciting video, we're going to learn how to center an image on a web page. Alright, so let's see here. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to need an image to center. Image. Dinosaur. Here's our image. And before I can center it, I probably want to make it a little smaller. So let's make a class to handle the height of it, or the width of it, and the size of it. Okay, so we'll use LG. This will be like a large size. And then we'll apply it here. Alright, so there is our image on the page. Okay. And, alright, there's two ways to center an image. One way would be to, I guess I'll go down here. So the first way would be to center an image would be to take whatever it's inside of and use text align center. Because images are inline elements, so let's say. So what's this image inside of? This image is inside of the body. So you could take the body and you could do text align center. And voila, your image is centered. But so is everything else in the body. The header is now centered. If you didn't want the header this way would probably not be the way you'd want to do it. Alright? So that's one way to center an image. The second way, probably the better way, would be to instead of selecting the entire body or whatever the image is inside of and using text align center, here's the second way to do it. So I'm going to make a class called center. Alright. And I'll come up here and apply it to our image. And here's what you do. First, you have to change it from an inline element to a block element. You use that by selecting, changing the display type. Display to block. Alright. Nothing really looks different. That's okay. Now you're going to center it like it would be, any block element. So to center any block element, you use margin, auto. And now here we have the image is now centered. Alright. So that's the two ways to center an image. This way is probably a little bit better than the first way. At least this way you can narrow in and center exactly what you want to be centered. All right. Okay.